Hey guys, so I am in my new junk journal that I plan on using for the next 3 months. It is earth tone, so I've not used this for my personal journal. I've used a green, so I decided what the earth tone theme. So I have a bunch of ribbons and the beads, and I love this bird cage that I have on there. I also have some keys as well, and yeah, I'm loving it. And it is 3 signatures that I have, and I've used these black eyelid, so something different. I try to make my journals different every time I use it. And one of the other thing that I've made that's completely different is it's Velcro. So before I open it, let's talk about the front. This was a wallpaper given to me by my coworker, and so I found some use for it. And I also have this pocket that I put in the front where I just put a card, something I can put a small note on. There's also another pocket in the front here, and I can fit quite a lot of things in there if I choose to. And this is another note card, and of course there's an eyelid and some notes that I can put on the back. I also use these decorative tags in. I don't know, I'm not sure what you call this again, but I use a couple of those different kind of decorative just to add. And then you can see I use some zigzag stitching, and there is edge protector. Yeah, so let's look at the back of it. So on the back of it, I have a blank card because I will be doing this card. This is going to be for Journal Mood for August, so this will be decorated in a few. And then I have these, of course, leaf at the back and the pocket. Yeah, so love that. So let's dive inside. So like I said, I used Velcro for the first time. Never thought about it, but when I was cleaning out my stash, I realized I had Velcro. You guys saw that video, and I said, oh, let's try and see how it works. And it works good because I have a little bit of space I give it so that when it grows, that it can go here or it can go here, just in case it gets real fat and I want to close it. But this was something different I've never tried, and it worked out really good. I had to, of course, sew it on, but it came out really good, and I like that idea. So here we go. The pocket made from, again, these ribbon that I got from the store locally. It is not as stable as I would like it to be, but I don't plan on stuffing a lot of things in this, but maybe just this card only. So I think it will be fine. And here we go. So because I don't want this video to be too long, I am going to speed up. There's areas where I feel like I need to explain stuff. I will stop and explain. But this was some of the creative things that I wanted to do, and it is just so cute. And of course, I can open it, and there's several booklets that I can write on. And this will be great for the first day of a journal mood. There's some here as well in the bottom, if you can see. And so, yeah. So, let's go to the first signature, and it's going to be speed up. So here is the next month, which will be September. So it has this autumn theme. And of course, I made a collage for inside and get to write inside. then we have October, so you have all these pumpkins, the theme. And there is my journal. Yay! Also, forgot to show you a little trinket at the bottom.